Hi, today I'm reviewing OnePlus Nord 5G and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So we should first launch the settings app and then tap to wallpaper and style, tap to wallpaper section, and here you'll see album. From here you could use photos from your device gallery or previously downloaded photo from the internet. Also we got here static photos. We could use one from the default photos, tap to apply and select lock screen. Just wait a couple of seconds and now let's just check, and we could see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we could make it by another way. Just hold for a while home screen with your finger, tap to wallpapers on the left down corner, and by the same way select one from the available wallpapers. I just want to use this one, tap to apply, select lock screen, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.